explore and speak to you guys because this is a vlog 2 days ago. This is now Sunday. Friday, I was with my cousin and my sister. We had like a good old day. We had food, we had snacks. It was just amazing. Just had a catch up, and then Kay filmed and went to hers and did some house things because her and my mum are both moving just now. It's just chaos. Oh yeah, me and Connor had to take her in the gym on Friday night. So I don't really vlog anything Friday with yesterday. Saturday we what do you want? What do you want? Getting distracted. Yesterday, me, my mum and my sister, we went and got a hire van and we moved loads of my mum's stuff. I haven't even started packing for Glasgow, which is just another stress in itself, but here I've just got things that I know I need to take with me. So that's all there. And baby, you can't sit on the radiator. Ovi. That's gonna be uncomfy soon. Today is moving more stuff, and then tonight I'll come home and pack. We're only staying for one night, so it's not like I'm going away for like 2 weeks. I was out in Aberdeen, so I was home alone. I was gonna have just a chilled night, sit and do some skincare, watch the TV, have a takeaway by myself. I ended up sharing my takeaway with Mum and Katie and helping them move house. Today we're moving more things, so I will not be taking my vlogging camera with me. Katie decided last night we were gonna be like, oh, let's just go out because May did this weekend, so I was like, do I want to? And now Katie said that she doesn't want to, and I'm kind of thinking maybe I shouldn't either because I need to get packed, really. Because I know if I leave it last minute and do it tomorrow I'm going to just stress and might not go out. But Katie said if she does, it's going to be very, very last minute. We shall see. I might go out, I might not. It's just, if I go out, I don't like it being last minute because I like doing my makeup half decent. Like, I like having like at least 5 hours to get ready. We might go out, might not. If we don't, it will be a case of packing. If we do, then I'll just stress tomorrow. But Connor's not packed either. And we wasn't going to leave here until like 1 o'clock sort of time. So if I did need to pack, I would just get up early and do it. I also need to wash my hair, but I'm not going to do that today. Like during the day because I'm going to be sweating moving all that fucking stuff. I might go downstairs and have breakfast and have a cup of coffee / tea because I didn't drink any. I had 1 cup of tea yesterday, which is really, really, really weird because I usually have at least 5 or 6. So I need to get ready. Fuck me. Hello. What's wrong? Hungover?
Yes.
You sound like absolute shit.
You just woke me up and we're going to bed.
You coming at night?
Oh fuck. Goodbye.
Love you, bye, honey.
Love you, bye.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
What's the plan of action?
Well, we're gonna go back to back. We're gonna pack some of my things, get my things up, and then cook ourselves.
hair's done. I'm ready to go. I might go and text my mum and that to see where they are. And I'll be back when we're done. It is 1:30, so I can see us being a very long while. Then I'll come home and I might be going out. So see you guys when Sunday, Saturday, I helped my mum and Katie the whole day. I came home and went to bed because we didn't stop unpacking the house on Saturday until 2 o'clock in the morning. And then on Sunday we did the same, like we unpacked stuff, we moved stuff until like 6:30 or something, and then me and Katie decided we were going out for May Day. So we went out May Day and we went out with Katie and her 2 other pals, which was actually really fun. Like, I haven't been out in ages and I just felt like I needed it. It was so good. But today is Monday. I am not hungover. I didn't drink loads. We weren't like bleeding. Then we just had drinks and had a good time. So today is Monday. We go to Glasgow tomorrow and I need to pack like I need to pack now, ASAP. I had lunch at my stepmom's house, so that was good to see her. And now I just need to get my shit together and get stuff packed. I've literally sat through in the bedroom watching YouTube because I've got so much YouTube to catch up on, but I need to pack. I literally cannot be bothered doing this. Wolfie, what are you doing? We're also going to IKEA tomorrow. I'm super excited. Wolfie, you cannot sleep there. Mama needs this bag. Oh, them big boys. You gonna move? So I made a list like ages ago about what I needed. Come on, Danny. Mama needs it. Oh, you're so big. Do you know that? You're getting too big. Yeah, just lie on my clothes, thankful. So I put the earrings I was going to wear. See that in here. What a place to look. A jewelry box. So I need these. Next I'm going to put makeup in.
Soaring through the floor. Buried bones as a leaf that there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you know you will love you as you are, but only you will die to taste. I know that there's a place for us. For we are glorious. Through the door, through when no one's been before. But it feels like all that we desire.
anything.
Ridiculous. Hi guys. So I'm just editing the vlog now. I realised I haven't actually ended it. I didn't vlog a lot actually. It was just kind of in the moment. So Hugh Jackman was absolutely amazing. I cried 4 times. I don't know if I've ever cried at any concert, but it was just amazing. When we got home that night, we made IKEA furniture. So we've changed our living room, our kitchen, and the spare bedroom quite dramatically. So once we have everything done, I will show you the living room, the kitchen and all that together and like a vlog or something. But it was honestly like the best days away. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.